Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashie E. So I just wanted to come and give you guys this quick little video showing you guys how I maintain my silk press. So I did go ahead and press my hair. As you guys can see, it looks pretty good. I added some curls to it and everything like that. So I have all my stuff here. The first thing I have is my adjustable hook and loop mesh wrap. I love this. This is always my go-to choice for what I use to wrap my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out. And then I also have like a bandana that I like to use, and then my bonnet. So to get started, I do like to take my paddle brush and just brush my hair coming forward. I do forward, to the side, and to the back. So now I'm just gonna start wrapping in a circle. So then I like to get my mesh wrap. Just place it right here. And just attach it to the back. And then I like to take my hands and just kind of go in a circle to make sure I didn't miss anything, miss any hair or anything like that. So we are good. Okay, so then now I'm gonna take my bandana because I have to make sure I keep this in place. So I'm gonna put my bandana on just to tighten it so it doesn't slip off. It's not going anywhere. And then last but not least, I take my bonnet and I just put it right on. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. It's just a quick and easy video of how I wrap my hair to make sure that my silk press lasts. If you enjoyed, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications. I do post multiple times per week, so turn on your bell so you don't miss an upload from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!